How much do pool maintenance technicians actually make each year? Let's break it down so you get the real picture. If you're working as a pool cleaner, your income depends a lot on whether you work for a company or run your own gig. Residential pools usually pay less than commercial jobs, like hotels or apartment complexes, which need more attention and deal with health department inspections. Location matters too. Techs in California often make more than in other states. Commercial pool techs can pull in between $100,000 and $140,000 gross annually, but after taxes, that's more like $50,000 to $80,000. That's roughly $40 to $60 per hour if you're good at your job. If you're with a cleaning company, expect closer to $25 an hour, but the upside to commercial work is that it usually comes with contracts that lock you in for a couple of years, giving you steady work. Plus, if you know how to fix heaters, pumps, or do acid washes, you can boost your paycheck even more. Remember, servicing pools is not just about cleaning. Repairs can seriously up your value. One of the biggest mistakes pool maintenance techs make is underestimating the importance of understanding chemical levels, which can lead to failed health department inspections and lost contracts. Fix this by regularly testing and adjusting chemicals with reliable tools and keeping detailed records. Another common issue is not building relationships with commercial clients, which hurts contract renewals. Stay in touch, communicate clearly about service updates, and always show professionalism. Lastly, many techs forget to expand their skill set beyond basic cleaning. Knowing repairs like fixing pumps or heaters puts you ahead and lets you charge more. Keep learning and offering extra services to stand out. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors quickly and easily, making sure you get reliable help for your big home jobs without all the hassle. For contractors, it's a great platform to get noticed and land more work with people who actually need your skills.